In this example, we're going to use information from our problem to find a linear function that models the data, and then we're going to use that information and that function to predict. In 2000, the life expectancy of females born in that year was 79.7 years. In 2010, it was 81.1 years. Let E of t represent life expectancy and t the number of years since 2000. Find a linear function that fits the data. To create a linear function, we need two items. We need a slope and we also need a y-intercept. We can use the information given in our problem to find the slope. Since we're letting t be the number of years since 2000, our first point could be 0, 79.7. 0 meaning 0 years after 2000, and y being the life expectancy. We'd also have a second point of 10, 81.1, 10 years after 2000 and life expectancy of 81.1. Let's plug this into our slope formula and find a slope. Here I'm going to let this be my first point and this my second point. By plugging this into my calculator, you can find 0.14 as the slope. Now for the y-intercept, remember that the y-intercept is where x, or in this example, t, is 0. Here, t is 0. Therefore, the y-intercept is going to be 79.7. So we have our slope, and we have a y-intercept. So we can write a linear model. Y equals 0.14 t plus 79.7. And remember, we wanted E of t. So instead of writing y, we're going to write E of t. And this is my function. Now we're going to use this function and we're going to predict the life expectancy of females in 2020. 2020 means that t is going to be 20 years after the year 2000. Zero 0.14 times 20 is 2.8. 2.8 plus 79.7 is 82.5. So the life expectancy in the year 2020 is 82.5 years.